This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to attach a head to a body after inserting a dowel to support the head and neck. At this point, you should have a completed and stuffed body with a very long tail attached, about the width of your arm span. You should also have a completed crocheted dowel, about 8 inches long. Finally, you should have a completed and stuffed head with a hole in the bottom for inserting the dowel. I have my body stuffed firmly up to about the arms, and the neck is not stuffed because the dowel will take up the full width of the neck and there's no room for stuffing. So what we want to do is get the dowel about 2/3 down inside the neck and body. Okay. And then you want to put your fingers inside the hole of the head and separate the stuffing so there's room for the dowel to go up inside. Then insert the top of the dowel inside the head. And make sure that your head is on straight. I think that's pretty good. The nice thing about the dowel is it holds the head in place as you're sewing, so it's a lot easier to keep the head on straight as you sew. Next, thread the end of the tail on the body through a yarn needle. Flip the project over. And you'll see the tail is attached to the body here. So I'm just going to go around and attach the stitches at the top of the body to the stitches around the hole. And the last row of the body has 24 stitches and the hole has 18 stitches around. So it won't line up stitch for stitch, but just do your best. And I'll try to show you what I'm doing here. I recommend leaving your stitches kind of loose. And then at the end, we'll make sure that everything is on straight. And once we've checked to make sure that everything is straight, we can go through and tighten those stitches. And honestly, this doesn't have to be perfect because it's not going to show anyway. I'm going to skip to the end of the sewing. Feel free to pause the video and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so as you can see, I've sewn around and my head looks like it's on pretty straight. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten down my stitches. So what I do is I insert my needle through the front of a stitch and pull down to tighten it. Make room for my finger and pull down. And you want to pull these really tight as you can get it without breaking your strand of yarn. And try to keep these loops out of your stitches as well. Okay, we are done tightening down our stitches. Let's make sure the head still looks like it's straight on. I think so. I think we're good. So let's fasten off. We're going to secure this with a knot. And then we're going to hide the tail inside the work and trim off the excess. Congratulations, you have just completed an adorable loopy llama. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!